Good morning, Mr. Daniel. Welcome. Please relax and tell me a little about yourself.
What if I told you that 3 of the biggest AI tools for creators are now available with free access? I'm talking about Grok AI, Seedance 2.0, and Veo3. This update could save you money while giving you access to powerful AI video generation tools that were previously much more limited. In this video, I'll show you exactly what's free and which one gives you the best results. Let's jump in.
AI tool we'll be using today, as you can see, this is the name of the AI tool. So you can go to your browser and you go and search for the name of the AI tool here. Now make sure you pay attention and watch this video to the end, because most of you guys, immediately somebody show you the name of AI tool, you jump into it and you go and try it out, and if it did not work for you, you come back, you'll be blaming us that do the video. So that is not working. So make sure you pay attention. So that I'm going to show you how you are going to use the AI tool. So this is the AI tool. The first one here, you click on it, it's going to open like this, and it will bring you to an interface like this, where you can just register your account and try using the AI tool. So let's click on try for free. You just click on try for free so that you can register your account, put with your Gmail account, because the only way you can register account with this platform is through your Gmail account. So as you can see, through your Gmail account. So this is how the interface is, as you can see. Text to image, image to video, reference video. So let's click on register. Let me link my Gmail account and register with my Gmail account, confirm my Gmail account so that I can start using the platform. So I'm trying to register a new account to show you guys. I have my previous account I'm using before. So I'm just trying to register a new account and show you guys how this platform works, how you can use the platform also. So let's allow it to register the account. Now, successfully register a new account. I just register a new account right now to show you guys how this platform works. Now, if the account is open like this, you register your account. On your left hand side, you are going to see where it says, as you can see, this is where you can do, you can use Veo3, as you can see, Veo 3.1. You can also use Google Veo3 Fast. You can use a different type of AI model here. Now, when you click on model, when you click on this model, you are going to see Kling AI, Saro 2, and you can see 2.5, Seedance AI, Grok Imagine. Now, for example, if you want to use Grok, if you click on Grok, it's going to change it to Grok. As you can see, it says generate AI videos with Grok Imagine. As you can see, it here generate AI videos with Grok Imagine. So you can select anything you want. All you just need to do, just upload. You can do text to video. You can do image to video. You can just remove this image here. Remove this image and you upload your own image. And also you put your prompt here. You can just clean this prompt here. Clean this prompt you are seeing right here. And you put your own prompt. So all you just need to do, just clean this prompt here. And after you clean this prompt, you put your own prompt, you put it on normal. And after you put it on normal, you select your resolution and your duration. As you can see, 6 seconds, your aspect ratio. And after you select your aspect ratio, you can select no watermark. As you can see, generate without watermark here. When you tap this, it's going to show you what it means. Your generation image watermark or everything. You just click here and you click on generate, and it's going to charge you 4 credits. As you can see, 4 credits. And immediately you register on this platform, they are going to give you 20 credits. As you can see, they say get more credit. So right now, without wasting much of your time, I want us to try this AI tool out. So let me upload an image, or let me just check a prompt. Let me get a prompt. First, let's do text to video before we do image to video. So now let's clean this here. Let's clean this prompt here. After we clean this prompt, we are going to paste our own prompt. Now I want us to paste our own prompt here. This is the prompt, and after I paste the prompt, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this. Let's put it on 16:9. So after put it on 16:9, that is our aspect ratio. Our duration have to be on 6 seconds because we are using the free mode. If you want to put it in 10 seconds, that means you have to upgrade. Then after that, the next thing we click on generate, and when you hit generate, we just have to give it some minutes and it's going to generate the video for us. As you can see, it's generating it right now. So we are doing what we call text to video right now. As you can see, I'm put it on text to video, and this is the video is generating for us. As you can see, your video is in progress. Expect it to be ready in less than 3 minutes. So our video is ready in less than, it is not even up to a minute, and our video is ready here. As you can see, this is what we call text to video. Now I can play this video. Let me play the video so that you guys are going to see the video.
Good morning, Mr. Daniel. Welcome.
Now this
Please
is
relax
the
and tell
video.
me a little about yourself.
This is the video. So we can decide to download the video, and to download the video, you can click on download here, and you can also extend this video. If you want to extend it with another video, you can also extend it. You can extend video on this website. As you can see, you can extend video. Now let's download this one, and after we download this one, I'm going to show you guys let's image to video. Right now, let's do image to video. Now coming back to interface like this. Now let's come back to image to video. Now when we come back to image to video, I will remove this image, and I'll also remove this prompt here. This prompt, just delete this prompt you are seeing right here. After deleting this prompt, now let's upload our own image. I have some image on my phone. Let's upload the image. Okay, let me upload this image, and after I upload this image, I'm going to paste my prompt here. Let's paste our prompt. Are you guys seeing it? Let's paste our prompt, and after we paste the prompt, the image has not been uploaded. Let's upload the image again. Sorry, I was too fast. Let's upload the image. This is the image. Let's upload the image. The image is uploading right now. I've uploaded this thing before. The image is still uploading, so let's allow it to upload. Now the image has been successfully uploaded, so it has not come up. Now the image has uploaded, so let's come down here and select our aspect ratio. Okay, we don't need to select the aspect ratio because the image has aspect ratio. So the next thing, we are going to click on generate, and when we click on generate, it will also start generating our video. Right now we are doing what we call image to video. So you can use this platform to do text to video and also image to video. Now when you are generating video on this website, and your credit they gave you here finish, and you want to get another more credit, and you don't have money to do so, all you have to do is just to log out and log in with a new Gmail account. And when you log in with a new Gmail account, you are going to get access to it again, and you continue generating your video. One thing I like about this AI tool is that you can extend video. Yes, you can extend your video. Yes, you can extend video. So you can be using it to extend your videos. So let's wait for it to load, and I'm going to show you the next thing you are going to do. Now the video is complete. This is the video here. You can download it. So assuming you are creating video scene by scene, you are creating episode movie, all you just need to do after generating the first one, you can just go back to where your prompts are. As you can see, the one I generate right now is scene 1. So I'll just come back to scene 2 here. This is scene 2. I'll just come back to scene 2, and I will copy everything like this. If I want to do extend, if I want to extend video, I'll just copy. Sorry, I'll just come back to image to video. I'll just copy like this. I'll just copy like this. Now after copying the scene 2, I'll just go back to the AI tool. Now coming back to the AI tool, this is the one we generated before. I'll just click on this extend here, and when I click on extend, it's going to extend the video. Now when I click on extend, the next thing I'm going to do, when I click on extend, I'll just paste my second prompt here. I'll just click on this extend, and when I click on extend, it's going to extend this video. So I'll just paste my second prompt and generate my own video. So I don't want to do that right now because I don't want to waste you guys time. So this is how you can use this AI tool to generate videos for yourself in case you want to use this AI tool to generate video. So this is how you are going to do it.